Watch this video completely if you're planning to buy Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G, because in this video, I'll share you 2 serious problems that some users are facing on this phone. After watching this video, you will understand how a phone with Sony IMX890 camera sensor comes below 20,000 rupees, that too with free Realme T300 earbuds. So this video is completely based on reviews given by users of Realme Narzo 70 Pro who are using this phone for the past few weeks. The first problem that I'm going to talk about is a camera problem. As you can clearly see in this video, the camera app seems to be crashing whenever the selfie camera is opened. Even after closing the camera app, the app continues to crash again and again, as you can see here. So what benefit is the Sony IMX890 camera sensor if you can't even use it because of software limitation like this? The second problem that I'm going to talk about was faced by many users, and it is hanging and lagging problem, and the touchscreen seems to be stopping to work. As you can see in this video, the phone is hanging and it is not at all responding. This can be because of the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor getting bottlenecked, but this should not happen in everyday tasks like WhatsApp. So this can also happen because of software limitation because of Realme UI. In addition to these two problems, some people are also complaining about heating issue when playing games. This seems like the 3D VC cooling system that is adopted on this phone is not at all working that efficiently as the company claims it to be. So as a final conclusion, I will say if you are in tight search for a phone under 20,000 rupees, then you might consider this phone for everyday usage like calls, WhatsApp, etc. But you have to keep in mind that Realme UI is one of the worst UIs that's available on Chinese made phones in India right now. If you are facing any other problems on this phone, or do you want to add anything more to this video, please feel free to mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this.